learn to build unique and fully dynamic financial model to forecast short-term business performance and most importantly, the cash flow for the period for 1 year or more. You might say, I don't know how to prepare financial models and what is it all about? You might think that only an Excel expert or a finance and accounting expert can build the financial model. While it is true that having Excel and financial knowledge really helps in building the financial model and makes things easier, but you don't have to have expertise in about two subjects to build a responsive and robust financial model. You can still learn these skills in very limited time and build a reliable finance model for your business or startup. Usually when you hear about financial modeling or a financial modeling course, you are usually taught to build three key statements: income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. While there is nothing wrong with this, in this course you will learn to build a unique and dynamic operational financial model to forecast your next 1 year's sales, sales growth, cost of sales and inventory, direct cost, overheads, indirect overheads, net profit and most importantly, cash flow for a business. This cash flow statement will help you understand your next 1 year's cash requirement and how to manage it to smoothly run the business. Cash flow is a lifeblood of any business, either existing business or a startup. If you are starting up a new business or a venture, it is especially important to manage funding requirement to make sure your business idea is a success. With the financial model which we are going to prepare will help you to anticipate exact cash requirements, especially short-term cash needed. With this model, you can model credit days allowed to your debtors, how much credit days you need from the suppliers. This will allow you to optimize your cash flow cycles and requirements. Since the financial model is integrated with sales, sales growth, cost of sales and net profit activities, you will see during which months or period you will have excess cash in business, or if you are facing challenges or a deficit in cash due to any reason. How much cash is needed from outside sources, mainly from a short-term loan, trade, credit or you can say bank overdraft from your bankers. With the loan or short-term loan, there is always a cost associated with it in form of interest. So you will have to settle your short-term loans with bankers whenever you have excess cash available to reduce the cash burden and interest cost to your business. The financial model will have a functionality to settle your short-term loans whenever you have available cash or a free excess cash to reduce your interest, so you can model it automatically. Besides short-term loan needed for a business, if you want to grow your business in really long term, you always need a long-term loan or a long-term cash requirement. It is also possible to forecast and model with this financial model. In this course, we will start with very basics of financial modeling, the definition of financial modeling, what is the use of financial modeling, and what are the main components of financial modeling, and what you can achieve with a robust financial model. Accounting knowledge is the key for successful financial model building. Therefore, we will learn very basics of accounting like the accounting equation, cash accounting versus accrual accounting. We'll be understanding all key components of financial modeling exercise. They are mainly income statement or profit and loss statement, a balance sheet and a cash flow statement. For a cash flow statement, we'll have a detailed explanation of two methods of preparing cash flow statement, direct method and indirect method. In this course, our primary focus would be to use direct method of cash flow statement, which is very easy for any layman to understand. After that, you will learn the basics of Excel formulas and functions, other Excel tools and tricks. The detailed coverage of all formulas to be used in building our amazing financial model will give you immense confidence to work with Excel and make other kinds of models for your business or reporting. We will then build a financial model from very scratch. We will start with completely blank template and build up each component of financial model. It will include income statement, cash flow statement, supporting schedule. We will also build balance sheet and indirect method of cash flow statement to validate our financial model's numbers, which is highly recommended to do. At the end, we'll be building incredibly beautiful dashboard, which is completely data driven and dynamic. Whenever you change any data or scenario from within the actual financial modeling tab, the data in the dashboard will update automatically and the dashboard will be updated as well, and the visuals also. We will prepare two versions of dashboard, one for new business, one for existing business. This model is ideal for new businesses, startups, existing to small business or medium-sized businesses in various sectors or industries. For example, FMCG or fast-moving consumer goods like electronic goods, restaurant businesses, consulting businesses, online or e-commerce business, or any kind of seasonal business where some months have more sales growth than others, or any kind of medium-sized business. What are the ideal students for the course? If you are an existing business owner or a startup owner, you will learn very important skill to prepare financial models for your business and forecast profit or loss. Most importantly, cash flow performance for your business over 1 year or more. If you are a student of finance and accounting, this course will give you very practical business insight into the world of financial modeling, how business performance is forecasted, measured, and decisions are made. If you are an existing finance and accounting expert or a financial modeler, you will learn some unique techniques, some other tips and tricks which you can readily apply to your existing models or workflow. If you are an Excel enthusiast who wants to sharpen his or her skill in Microsoft Excel, the formulas and functions application in the course will definitely add value to your existing skill sets. Not to mention the advanced charting and visualization techniques is a big bonus that comes out of this course. Hi, I'm Prashant Panchal. I'll be your instructor in the course. I'm highly rated teacher for Excel modeling and accounting and finance students with Microsoft Excel in more than 139 countries. I am Excel and data transformation expert. I have been using Excel in my profession for a very long time. Tools and techniques I share in this course are of a tremendous value. I am a professional accountant and a finance expert. I have extensive amount of experience working with a variety of businesses over many years. The financial model I'm teaching you here in this course is a real-world and practical version of the model which I had used in my employment to accurately forecast business performance and most importantly the cash flow performance. I'm quite excited about Microsoft Excel's new power tools like Power Query, Dynamic Array Formulas, Power Pivot. These tools are must learn for any modern Excel or analytics professional. I'll be publishing more courses on these topics in near future, so stay tuned. Currently, I am developing my skill sets in data science and data visualization, which is very important skill set. I have shared many blog posts about this on my website. When you have completed the course, you will receive a completion certificate which you can share on your LinkedIn profile. This course comes with 30 days money back guarantee and you will be refunded full price if you are not happy with the course. So your investment is safe. Do not forget to watch preview videos to have a feel of my teaching techniques and course overall. So what are you waiting for? Click the Enroll Now button to learn very essential and crucial skill of building robust financial models.